Thanks to Papa, Mama, Tithi for their support, and to the Divine, whose blessings have always been with me in whatever I do. To all the Pihus who dare to dream big. Pihu loved to learn about the earth, the moon, the stars, and everything beyond it. For her birthday, Dadaji gave Pihu a solar system set.
Dadaji, I'm an astronaut. Call me Astronaut Pihu from now on.
Exclaimed Pihu, flying her rocket around.
So tell me, Astronaut Pihu, what do you do?
Asked Dadaji.
I go to the moon, Dadaji.
Pihu said.
How does the moon feel like?
Dadaji asked.
Our moon is white and has craters. Our moon is like paneer, Dadaji.
Pihu replied.
Paneer? So do you eat the moon, Pihu?
Dadaji said.
Oh no, Dadaji, you have your spacesuit on. You cannot eat with your spacesuit on.
Exclaimed Pihu.
Oh, sorry, Astronaut Pihu. What else do you see in space?
Asked Dadaji.
I can see the sun too, Dadaji. It's like a big glowing star. It gives light to planet Earth. I cannot go too close to the sun. It's like a ball of fire,
said Pihu.
I can also see our blue planet,
remarked Pihu.
The blue planet?
Asked Dadaji.
Planet Earth, the big blue ball with water and land and air to help us live,
Pihu explained.
What else do you see, Pihu?
Asked Dadaji.
I can see Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, and the hottest planet in the solar system. It's hot like Ma's samosa,
exclaimed Pihu.
I can also see Venus, Earth's twin. Venus and Earth are about the same size. I can also see Mars. It's next to Earth. It's red and small,
said Pihu.
Then I see Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's like a big laddu, Dadaji,
exclaimed Pihu.
I can then see Saturn and Uranus with their rings. Dadaji, those rings look like jalebis. I can also see Neptune, the planet farthest from the sun,
said Pihu.
Dadaji, will you come with me to space?
Asked Pihu, but Dadaji was fast asleep. Dadaji suddenly woke up and said,
Oh, yes.
Oh, Dadaji,
Pihu said.